Hey there, techies! Today, we're breaking down the top 5 upgrades in the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra compared to the S23 Ultra. So, if you're on the fence about upgrading or just curious about the next big thing from Samsung, you're in the right place. Stick around and let's get into it. First things first, let's talk longevity. According to a report by Android Headlines, the Galaxy S24 lineup is taking it up a notch. Brace yourselves for a whopping 7 years of software support. That's right, 7 years of both full Android and One UI updates. This bold move aligns with Google's October announcement, granting the Pixel 8 series 7 years of software and security updates. Back then, Samsung had dropped hints about extending security updates, but details on Android and One UI updates remained in the shadows. If this rumor pans out, it could set a new standard for the industry. Here's to hoping other smartphone makers take a page from Google and Samsung's book. The future of software support is looking brighter than ever. Moving on to design. At a glance, the S24 Ultra appears to maintain the familiar aesthetic of its predecessor, with angular corners, a quad-lens camera setup, and a glass back. But here's the twist. Rumors suggest a premium titanium frame, elevating the build quality. It's a subtle refinement that could make a significant impact. Now, let's talk about the display. The S24 Ultra is making waves with a flat display, a departure from its predecessor. But that's not all. The peak brightness is getting a substantial boost, jumping from 1750 nits on the S23 Ultra to a staggering 2600 nits. That's brighter than the Pixel 8 Pro. Plus, the use of the M13 technology promises a more power-efficient display. Samsung's not just keeping up, they're setting the bar. Cameras and performance. The S24 Ultra introduces a significant change, reducing the second telephoto camera's zoom from 10x to 5x, but compensating with a remarkable jump in megapixels from 10 megapixel to 50 megapixel. The result? A potential 10x optical quality crop. AI is also taking center stage, enhancing the entire camera range. It's a blend of innovation and compromise in pursuit of photographic excellence. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is poised for a generational leap in power, sporting the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, a step up from the S23 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. Expect a substantial performance boost, though RAM and storage may remain consistent. Now let's talk intelligence. Samsung dubs the S24 series the AI phones, and they aren't holding back. Leaked details reveal a feature called Circle to Search, powered by Google's AI. Imagine searching any image, video, or text on your screen with a simple circle, highlight, scribble, or tap. It's a step beyond Google Lens and just the tip of the AI iceberg. Other features include live translation of phone calls, enhanced nighttime zoom, and an AI-powered Note Assist in Samsung Notes. But here's the twist. Some AI features might come with a price tag after 2025, contrasting Google's approach. And be ready because certain features may require a Samsung account login, details yet to be unveiled. And there you have it, the Galaxy S24 Ultra versus its predecessor, the S23 Ultra. The stage is set, and the curtains are about to rise on Samsung's latest flagship. Will it live up to the hype? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let us know in the comments. Are you Team S23 or eagerly awaiting the S24? Well, the next part will be about the specs of S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. So if you already know them, you may as well skip this part. If not, let's continue. First up, display changes. The Galaxy S24 might be breaking the size barrier with its 6.2-inch FHD display, a smidge larger than its predecessor, the Galaxy S23. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S24 Plus is making strides with a QHD resolution on its 6.7-inch screen. And the Ultra? Well, it's holding strong at 6.8 inches, but surprises us with a flat QHD screen, departing from the curved design of its predecessors. All three models are in for a treat with LTPO 120Hz displays. Say goodbye to lag and hello to smooth scrolling and high frame rate content. But that's not all. They're wrapping these powerhouses in a new Gorilla Glass armor material for extra durability against scratches and drops. It's like a suit of armor for your phone. Design-wise, the leaks suggest that the overall look might echo the Galaxy S23 series, But fear not, there's a splash of novelty. Get ready to pick from vibrant colors like violet, yellow, gray, and black for all S24 models. And for the Ultra, titanium is the buzzword, hinting at a possible titanium frame instead of the traditional aluminum. Camera buffs, listen up. While the regular S24 and S24 Plus seem to maintain their camera setup, the Ultra is stepping up its game. Brace yourselves for a jaw-dropping 200 megapixel main camera, and the 10 megapixel 10x zoom camera is getting replaced with a new 50 megapixel 5x zoom lens. Say cheese to revolutionary photography. Beneath the surface, Samsung is shaking things up with the chipsets. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is rumored to boast the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, while the more budget-friendly models might flaunt the Exynos 2400 chips, at least for the European market. Brace yourselves for potential performance differences, including Wi-Fi 7 support on the Snapdragon and Wi-Fi 6E support on the Exynos. Let's talk memory and power. The base Galaxy S24 is rumored to start with 8 GB of RAM, but the Plus and Ultra are flexing with a massive 12 GB. A significant upgrade from the Galaxy S23 series, and don't even get us started on the batteries. The S24 and S24 Plus are rumored to pack larger 4000 mAh and 4900 mAh batteries respectively. While the charging speeds remain consistent, the extra capacity should translate into some impressive battery life gains. And here's the cherry on top: Galaxy AI. It might not be on the official spec sheet, but rumor has it that it's poised to be a game changer. Enhanced translation, automatic photo editing, the possibilities are endless. Now the countdown has begun, just a week until Galaxy Unpacked, the moment of truth where all these rumors will be confirmed. If you're as eager as we are, mark your calendars for January 17th at 10 AM Pacific Time or 11:30 PM Indian Standard Time and join Samsung's livestream on Samsung.com and YouTube. That's a wrap for our tantalizing sneak peek into the Galaxy S24 series. Which rumored feature has you the most excited? Share your thoughts in the comments below and make sure to subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.